Assalamualaikum and good day. We are students from the Bachelor of Plant Science with honor taking the course STT2113 Plant Propagation. In this video, we would like to present our industry visit to the Malaysian Cocoa Board, also known as Lembaga Cocoa Malaysia, at the Cocoa Research and Development Centre located in Kota Samarahan, Sarawak. The purpose of this visit was to expose us to the real industrial practices in cocoa cultivation, propagation, and processing, as well as to understand how the cocoa industry operates from the field to the final product. Through this visit, we aim to gain practical knowledge related to plant propagation technique, post-harvest handling, and sustainable cocoa production which are relevant to our field of study.
Industry overview for cocoa. Industry definition. The cocoa industry in Malaysia covers the entire value chains of cocoa beans and cocoa-based products, including the first one is cultivate and farming, is for upstream productions. Second one is processing and grinding, is for midstream. Third one is downstream manufacturing, cocoa butter, powder, chocolate, and other value-added to products. Last but not least, export and trade of both intermediate and finished goods. Malaysia cocoa sector is regulated and promoted primarily by the Malaysia Cocoa Board. For example, is Lembaga Cocoa Malaysia under the Ministry of Plantation and Commodities. For industry sector, for upstream production, cocoa beans production in Malaysia declined significantly since the 90s due to competition for more selective crops and lower yields. Recent government activities are trying to revive cocoa farming through rehabilitation program, planting promotion, and modern technology adoption. For midstream is processing and grinding. Malaysia is a major global cocoa grinder. Malaysia ranks around 5 largest cocoa grinder worldwide, with a capacity of 3600 until 3700 tons per year. Most of the processing relies on importing cocoa beans due to limited domestic agriculture output. For downstream manufacturing and export, Malaysia produces and exports a wide range of cocoa-based products. The first one, the key product, cocoa butter, cocoa powder, cocoa maize, chocolate, and other was not good in condition. These products are exported to market, including Singapore, US, Japan, China, and other countries. Industry overview for cocoa. Industry definition. The cocoa industry in Malaysia covers the entire value chains of cocoa beans and cocoa-based products, including the first one is cultivate and farming. Objective of cocoa industry: first, minimize the cocoa sector's contribution to national income and employment. Second, increase production of cocoa beans. Third, position Malaysia as a processing and trading center for cocoa and cocoa products. Fourth, improve market risk and competitiveness. Fifth, ensure environmentally suitable to development, market, and growth. The industry has been adapting to rising global demand for cocoa and chocolate products, and Malaysian players are encouraged to expand both agriculture output and value added offering through R&D and quality improvements. How this industry fit in Malaysia? Cocoa is considered an agro-industrial community with significant for rural income, especially in areas like Sabah and Sarawak, where many small farmers grow cocoa. The government through Lembaga Cocoa Malaysia actively support farmers, producers, and exporters with training, technology, and quality standards.
Our visit highlight first introduction to the cocoa process from harvesting to final product. Second, explanation of key stages such as fermentation, drying, roasting, and grinding. And then observation of machinery used in cocoa process, and then understanding the role of technology in improving quality and safety. And the lastly is exposed to quality control and sustainable practice in the cocoa industry.
Understanding the cocoa production process. The process starts from planting young seedlings in warm, humid climates. When the pods mature, they are harvested and collected, and the beans are removed, fermented, and dried, preparing them for further processing into cocoa powder and chocolate. Recognizing the importance of cocoa in the agriculture sector. Cocoa plays a major role in Malaysia's agricultural economy. It provides income for smallholder farmers and contributes to the local and global chocolate industry. Beyond economy, cocoa farming is part of our cultural heritage and rural livelihood. Identifying sustainable farming practices. During our visit, we observed various sustainable farming methods. We were briefed on the various diseases that negatively impact the quality of cocoa and limits its overall production. Appreciating the role of farmers and local communities. The success of the cocoa industry depends on the dedication of farmers. Through their knowledge and experience, they manage the challenges of pest disease and changing climates. Their work ensures the continued supply of quality cocoa beans.
Overall, the visit to cocoa industry in Kota Samarahan, Sarawak provided meaningful exposure to the cocoa production process, from cocoa beans processing to the final product. Through this visit, we gained valuable knowledge on raw material management, processing method, and marketing strategies practiced in the cocoa industry. This visit also highlights the potential of cocoa as an important economic resource and future career opportunity. In addition, the visit emphasized the importance of maintaining cocoa quality before it is processed and marketed. Overall, the management and implementation of this visit were very well organized and effective.